this is the most important one, and this is: are you ready to turn your passion into profit while you're working that full-time 9-to-5 job? You might be wondering, how is it even possible to start a side hustle while you're working your full-time 9-to-5 job? Like, where will I get the time to invest to do this side business? Well, you're in luck today, because in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things that you can do right now to kickstart your side hustle journey while you're still working that 9-to-5 number one job. The first thing you're going to do to start your side hustle is to think about your passion. What lights you up? What gives you that spark of energy, that exciting feeling, right? So this is the first thing you need to do. Sit with yourself and think about the type of side hustle that you want to start. If you have been watching my previous video, I mentioned several different side hustle ideas. If you're a Christian woman of faith, if you're a nurse, if you're just a woman, several different side hustles. So you can go ahead and check out the side hustle playlist after watching this video, of course. But sit with yourself and think about the one, and I'm emphasizing the one because at times we have several different ideas and we're not sure which one to choose. I also did a video on that, so you can go ahead and check those videos out after watching this. Number 2, now you're going to focus on your time management. Yes, I know you've been asking the question of where will I get the time? Well, I'm sure that you have the time to come home and maybe watch some Netflix, or just to be on the phone talking to your family and your friends. That is the same time you're going to use right now to invest into your side hustle, right? So you're going to be intentional with your time. Track your time, right? So for example, you're working your 9-to-5 job. You set a schedule. Are you going to get up earlier than usual to spend an hour to work on your business? Are you going to use your lunchtime to work on your business rather than sitting with your coworkers or hanging out with them, gossiping with all these things that goes on in in corporate, right? So you are going to be intentional with your time. In the evening time, what are you going to do when you get in from work? You're going to set your calendar, whether you're going to make dinner, look after the kids, tuck them into bed, spend some time with your spouse, and then you spend an hour or two to work on your side hustle. So you have to be intentional. For example, for myself, usually in the mornings, I get to work at least half an hour earlier. I usually sit in my car and I'm doing something, whether I'm scheduling a post, whether I'm editing a YouTube video, whether I'm creating a thumbnail for my YouTube video. I do that while I'm sitting in my car rather than going in earlier, giving work my time. I use that time to invest on my business. When it's lunchtime too, I spend that hour, that 45 minutes, maybe take a stroll outside, sitting under a tree, depending on the weather, to work on my business. You won't see me hanging around, gossiping, chatting, chit-chatting with coworkers. No, honey, I'm working on my business. In the evening times, I get home, I do dinner, interact with my kids, and I ensure that I have an hour or two, and this is up to 2 to 3 evenings per week to work on my side business, right? So whether I'm tucking in my son in bed, after that moment, I usually spend some time to edit my YouTube videos. I record with my phone, so I just have my phone editing my videos, whether it's doing a thumbnail again. So that's how I spend my time to work on my side business. So for you, get your calendars and structure your time. How many hours per week are you going to spend to work on your side business? How many days per week? So you can choose 2, you can choose 3, you can choose the weekends, whichever time is convenient for you to work on that side business. Got it? By the way, if you're new here, have you yet subscribed to this channel? Please, if you are benefiting from these side hustle business ideas, I would appreciate if you go ahead and join the family here. Hit the subscription button, and while you're at it, please ensure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. Number 3, the power of networking. So when you're venturing into business, right, I'm sure that there are not many of your family members or friends who have experience into creating a side hustle. Therefore, you will have to go out and find like-minded individuals who are also venturing into this side hustle space. So that is usually looking like finding social media friends, friends on social media, finding people to network with, find coaching groups, coaching programs, and you will have to invest again time, right? Time to meet up with these people, find accountability group. For me, on my side hustle journey, I've most of the time I've been enrolled in a coaching program just for accountability and for extra mentorship while I'm on this journey. So I would encourage for you to also do that, because starting out in business can be a lonely road. You don't know what you're doing. Sometimes there's down days, there's up days. So you need that like-minded community to help you, to boost you, to lift you up when you're feeling down, when things doesn't feel like it's working out. Then your community will encourage you. And if you're interested in further coaching or mentorship, I do offer that. You will find that in the description. Number 4 is to master your money game. Yes, you have to set clear intentions of the investment that you're putting into your side hustle and the rate of return that you're getting from your side hustle. So say, for example, you say, okay, I need to make an extra $500 per week. If you're selling products, if you're offering services, how much is it for one product? What is the cost for one service? How many? So say you're selling something for like $97. You will need like 5, 6 of those to take you to a $500 target. If you're selling something for $250, so you're braiding here, you're a hair braider, and you're braiding here, then 2 hairstyles of $250 will bring you that $500 for the week, right? So you have to be intentional with the amount of money you're expecting, put in that work to get that target. Also, you have to set aside money for investing into your business. So whether that's coaching, that's mentorship, getting more experience from persons who have been there with it. So this can include buying books, getting one-to-one coaching, joining accountability group. So you will have to find that money to invest in your business so you can get an increased higher rate of return. Are you understanding this? Tell me in the comments, what side business idea are you thinking of starting? What's brainstorming in your head? What's your passion? What's your skill? What's your gifting? Let me know in the comments. And lastly, as we journey into number 5, this is the most important one, and this is consistency. You have to stay consistent, you have to stay committed, and you have to adapt to this new lifestyle that you're journeying into, transitioning while you're on this journey, right? So consistency would look like, okay, you're going to work on your side hustle 3 times per week, 3 days per week. You're going to set aside time blocks to work on your side hustle, right? So for example, this YouTube channel, I maintain consistency by trying to upload a minimum 4 videos per month, right? That's my minimum, and my maximum is 8 videos per month. So when I just started out, I was doing 1 video per week, and as time goes by, I try to do 2 videos per week. Now, life is life, and life happens. So sometimes I don't get to meet that target of 2 videos per week, but I try to hit the target of uploading at least 1 video per week. So if you're going to start out with YouTube, if you're going to start out with blogging, affiliate marketing, coaching, whatever side hustle it is, you have to be consistent in showing up so people can see you, people can find you, even on social media platforms. So you're marketing and promoting your business. You have to be consistent. How many days per week are you going to show up on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook to market and promote your business? So these are the 5 things that will help you to kickstart your side hustle journey while you're working a 9-to-5 job. And if you're wondering, Ashika, what's going on with the hairstyle? Yeah, this is the new look. I didn't feel like put it on in a wig. I took out my braids. So if you've been hanging with me for a while and you're like, what's up with the new look, Yashika? Yeah, I just didn't feel like putting on any wig this morning. So that's it for now, guys. Let me know the next video that you're interested in watching in the comments below so that I can create your next video for you. Thanks for sticking around, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.